topic that we are going to see it is a product of sum form. We have already seen sum of product form for a K-map. Now we are going to see product of sum form, that is for a 4 variable K-map. Now see, if it is having a pi and capital N, then it indicate that it should be in a product of sum form. Now let us draw the K-map for 4 variable, and then we will convert the given max terms into product of sum form. Here again, as it is a 4 variable, we are having A, B, C, D, 4 variables. As we have written D, LSB, we will go on a lower side for writing our variables. Whatever the max terms are present, it will be represented by 0 instead of 1. If you remember, the mean terms are represented by 1, whereas the max term are represented by 0. So these are the max terms that are present, that is 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 14. Now here we can see that we can make a group of 4. Also we can make a group of 4 for this one, and we can make a group of 2 for this one. So here the first group of 4, the A and B is constant, but A is represented by 1, so bar will be given, whereas B is represented by 0, so B will be remain as it is. Then we are having a group of 4 where the 0 is constant, that is D, and so D will be taken as it is. Also the next constant thing is A. So A is constant, so it is having the value 1, bar will be given. Then here we can see that 0, 0 is constant, so it will be C bar plus D, as well as the B is constant and B is having value 0. So the final equation for this becomes A bar D into A bar B into B plus C bar plus D. So there is a group of 4, 2 group of 4 and group of 0. So this is how we will find out the product of sum form. Similarly, we can find out the mean terms by representing the remaining one by 1 and sum of product form. Now next thing that we have to see is the logic gate implementation of, or a logic diagram for this given equation. Whenever the equation is in product of sum form, we can represent it by using AND or AND logic, or AND logic. Every equation that is in OR AND logic can be converted to NOR logic. Now let us see how to implement it by using OR AND gate. The first term, that is A plus D, every plus sign get converted to the OR logic gate. The plus sign get converted to OR logic gate, whereas the into sign get converted to AND gate. So here is A bar D, A bar B, and lastly B C bar D. So this is OR AND representation for this minimal expression. We can also draw the NOR gate implementation for this one. The NOR gate is represented by OR sign, and above that, in front of that, we have to write down the bubble one. So this is OR AND representation, and this is NOR representation. Similarly, for if it is a mean term, we can use AND OR representation, and every AND OR representation can be converted to NAND representation.